Ditch the academic chaos and supercharge your study sessions, because in this video, we're transforming your Trello board into the ultimate study companion. First, create a Trello board for each subject you're taking this semester. Think Math 101, History, or Biology, and within each board, create lists to represent the stages of your workflow: to do, in progress, and completed are great starting points. Now, populate your lists with cards, each representing a specific task, such as read Chapter 3, complete practice problems, or review lecture notes, and be sure to add due dates to each card to keep you on track. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps using the checklist feature within each card. For example, under Write Essay, you might have checklist items like brainstorm ideas, create outline, and write introduction. As you work on a task, drag the corresponding card to the in progress list, and once you finish, move it to completed. Visualizing your progress can be incredibly motivating. Utilize Trello's calendar view to see all your upcoming deadlines and assignments in one place, preventing any last-minute surprises. If you're working on group projects, invite your classmates to your Trello board to collaborate seamlessly. Assign tasks, share resources, and track each other's progress all in one place. Customize your boards with different backgrounds and labels to visually distinguish subjects or prioritize tasks, making your Trello board uniquely yours. Trello is a powerful tool for students looking to boost their productivity and achieve academic success. Start using these tips today, and watch your grades soar.